back to Make Pro 16. Today we're going to be making slime in this huge bowl. And can't really wait to do this because I don't really ever get to make slime. So McKenna's going to help me make this slime. So let's get into it. So we'll pour these in. I'm going to shake this up. Alright. Oh, Keaton. No, Keaton.
That's my brother.
Yep.
No, you can have
You can have one.
I don't want candy.
He doesn't want candy.
No one's having any candy right now.
No candy.
Lots-
No candy. Push.
Lots of time.
Let's empty this glue. I'm gonna empty the pink actually.
Nope, empty this one first.
Okay, and then I'll empty the pink. Wait, let's do it at the same time. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. I cannot wait to play with this giant slime. We have the activator right there.
And I don't care if it doesn't work. We're still making something.
Yeah. Look at those! Don't mess those up, they can pop.
Water?
Yeah. They're little jelly beans or something.
Please don't touch them, please.
This is the activator.
No, this is the activator. We already did those.
Still emptying some of this glue.
You guys need borax.
We already do. We have the activator already. We gotta let these like hang somewhere so we can get the rest of them out though.
That's a lot of glue.
I know, but there's still like more in all of these. We'll probably sit them upside down. Today is a pack-filled day. See, you're the friend I need to see every day. Just every day overall.
And the scratches.
That's so weird.
What?
Oh, stop it, Keaton.
I'm so weird?
No, I said you guys.
I got
These
glue
subs-
in my hand.
you know what? You're subscribed to the channel, so you're basically calling yourself weird.
I'm not subscribed.
Yes, you are.
Please subscribe if you can. That leaves us to that topic.
Please like and subscribe, smash that like button.
That's true. Please.
I can do a YouTube video with you someday if you want.
You can get famous. Hey, you're getting glue all over me. Oops. We'll just tip these upside down. Well,
I'll do
I.
this. It hurts, but who cares?
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this.
And that's done. Actually, that's fine.
Yeah, we're just gonna empty these as much as we can. I'm just gonna tip mine upside down, and then we can take our slime and. Oh!
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, she got her hands in glue. She's fine.
No, the table.
Oh, the real actual table. Oh! we'll clean up that with our.
I'm just gonna be done with that.
I'm just gonna tip these upside down. So no, because then when we're done like mixing the slime, then we can get this glue in them. So clean off this part of the table first of all, and just leave that there. Don't clean that up. I think we should wash our hands. Don't clean that up because we're gonna probably need to add this whole entire thing. We're just gonna add some. We need spoons. Do you have like any plastic spoons or something? That's enough. That's way too much. Do you want to mix with our hands? No or yes? This
feels so weird.
okay. We have a little piece here that's kind of. I've never done this in my life. I've never mixed it with my hands. It feels kind of good. Ew, I think it's gonna come out like yellow.
Who cares? You're so beautiful.
Mix it like. Oh wait, it's gonna become like this beautiful orangey peach color
Oh my gosh, yes.
with confetti. Add activator.
like literally we need more.
That's enough. Stir really fastly. See, where the slime